Yeah, yeah, feel. I feel this one. Feel this one's giving now?
Yeah.
Feel the difference? Hang on, big boy. Hang on, big boy. We're gonna fix that tummy, okay? We're gonna fix that tummy. See that sleeping well? He's fussing a lot at night. How long has it been going on?
Not this week.
Daniel did the same thing for his first adjustment. So. Let's give him the back for that. Bless your heart. Bless your heart. Oh. Is he ready for a nap? If he didn't sleep, he's probably worn out, isn't he? Come here.
He's like that. Still's the
You're okay. Wait, just for a minute like this. Just like that. All right, that's it.